Hi folks, St. Paul's team here with my latest creation. This goes by the name of the Empire Giant Stride Swings number 48. This is a recreation that I produced. It seems like these are almost impossible to find, so I thought I would build one with the most exacting dimensions and information that I could glean. And after researching it quite thoroughly, I came up with this. It's 9¼ inches tall, 6½ inches wide at the base. The ivory pulley there at the base is 5 inches across. And these are original Empire swings. I suspended them with chains because the earlier pictures looked like they had that, and I've seen some of the later ones have metal stay rods, but I like the chains better. One of the liberties I took was installing 2 roller ball bearings in the base, so it does turn over quite smoothly and easily. About anything would run this, especially with that large diameter pulley. I also installed a Empire logo on the base. I wanted one, so I just put it in there. Gives it a number of 48. And let's give it a little spin. Thanks for looking, folks. Have a nice day.